What I believe the market's going to do moving into the fall of 2020-25 is, first of all, I don't have a crystal ball. I can tell you what I think's going to happen, so there's no guarantees. I think interest rates drop a little bit. I think people are going to come off the fence and they're probably going to start buying. I don't foresee a huge increase in inventory levels. I don't foresee property values decreasing here in the Charlotte area. I still see people are probably going to move here. So I really think it's going to be a pretty stable market. I think if anything's going to happen, we may actually see more buyers hit the market in the fall.